we are over beautiful Portsmouth, and we're going to have ourselves an engine failure. Everything's okay at the moment. All the temperatures and pressures are in the green. We're heading for the Wickham VRP, and we'll get stabilised at about 4,000 feet. Okay, there we go. Notice the oil pressure has dropped out, and there we are. Well, we have a full-on engine failure. So what we'll do, just like we've done before in our last video on this topic, get to best glide speed, which is 75 in the Piper Warrior. We're heading into wind now at the moment as well. That's Portsmouth off our left wing here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from left to right and then right to left. So what we're going to do is we're going to try changing tanks, see if that does anything. Have a little play with the magneto, see if that helps us at all. You can even try restarting the engine. It got us a little bit of something, but then it dies. You can try the throttle, mags, bit of carb heat. Now with carb heat, if you've got a rough running engine, it can get a lot worse when you put carb heat on initially as it chews through the ice, but keep it on, it will get better, and then you're fine with that. Something to be aware of. Fuel pump you might want to try as well. Make sure that your engine primer is in and locked. Nothing. Okay. So call on the radio next. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Whatever your call sign is, and where you are, where you're going, how many souls are on board, and what your intention for landing is. So once you've done that, transponder 700. We're going to switch off the master switch if I can get it. There it is. It's quite awkward on this aircraft. Off, 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 off. That's off, that's off, that's off. Turn the keys off. We're going to cut the fuel. You'd give your passenger a safety brief if you had one. You'd unhatch the doors as well so that you've got the ability to make a good escape. We're now down to 1,700 feet, so we need to pick somewhere to land. I quite like the look of this big long brown field here. I reckon we can make this. We've not put any flaps down yet. We're still at best glide. I might come in closer, but we'll see as we can get along this side. That long strip there looks quite good as well. There is a river. You want to be able to put yourself somewhere that you're going to be able to get some help. There's some buildings here, there's a road. Yeah, I'm going to wedge it between these two forests here. No flaps yet. Just going to maintain that best glide speed, because I'm going to lose some height in the turn. So I'm going to turn in a more westerly direction. Just a little bit of gentle rudder. Flaps 1, flaps 2. It's almost like a little runway this, isn't it? So it says at full flaps, keep it at 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, go back, whoop. It's a little sensitive today. Braking, 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 braking. And we're down. And we're safe. So the only other thing to do then is stick the parking brake on. And you can evacuate.